Hello friends, today we are looking at Excel templates, specifically focusing on the flowchart templates. There are different roadmaps, Gantt charts, and so on and so on. So you can pick up any template you want to use here, and you can just change the details to suit your needs. So if you don't have license for those premium flowcharts, you can, these ones will do the job. They are not the best, but you can just try them out and see if they can work. If you just have a simple project that you want to sort of track using these process maps, you can see here they give you some information on how you can edit it, and you can start putting the data here, and your process map will be generated, and you can see what will be sort of the end result, where you can put your start of the project, and you can define the different steps that you want to do before you get to the end. And you can put also like the next step, what is the next step, so it links to the following step. Say the start is P100, for example, as the process ID. Then once you are completed with that, you want to do P200 as the next task. And if you have two or more tasks that you want to do afterwards, you can just separate them with a comma, and it gives you like something like this, where it is step 1 and step 2, for example. So this is something that you can try and see if it can solve your issues before you maybe try to subscribe for expensive flowcharts. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please, if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.